Good morning, loves, and welcome to yet another video. My name is Maureen Kang'ethe, and I do lifestyle, beauty, and spaces content. Today's video is all about organization. At the same time, I'll be styling some outfits. So stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe.
Send your heart my way. Listen to the words that don't slip out my mouth. Just let me be the girl you always knew you'd give your love to in every kind of way. 'Cause I would wait all day to hear you say, Sejamoko ki madwaro en in kende. Desire to ki madwaro en in kende. Sejamoko ki madwaro en in kende. Desire to ki madwaro en in kende. Jahera, hold me slowly, gently wrap me in the warmth of your gaze. Just let me travel in the taste of blissful memories I miss when your kiss is all I know. 'Cause I would wait all day just to hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. Desire to ki madwaro en in kende. Desire to en in kende. Sejamoko ki madwaro en in kende. Say yeah, jamoko. Desire to ki madwaro en in kende. When I think of love, I see your face. Your infectious smile seems to leave me in a trance. Do you see where you lead me? You don't know how you sent me spinning around waist deep, head down, eyes closed. I'm dreaming of a better place. And in your arms is where I'd like to stay. so unaware that we're feeling the same thing, the same damn thing. Time is standing still. Why are we still here? I don't wanna fight. I'm needing the same as you. I want trust too. I want us to. I want lust too. I want us to. I want love too. I want this too. I want you. Ananipenda na amini ananipenda, anavyonidekeza mi ananiweza, amenibeba malaika amenibeba, amenitosha mwingine staki mwingine, ananijaza ananijaza na furaha, niliomba nikapewa, jamani mi ananifa, ananipenda, ameniteka hapa hadi kiama, hapa sitoki, sibanduki, sihami, simwachi, ananitosha mwingine staki mwingine, ananipenda, ananipenda, ananifuraha, ananipenda,
channel. Today I've spent my day doing some cleaning. At the same time, I've changed my sheets on my bedroom, and I really love the outcome of combining colors. You've seen I have a touch of yellow in my kitchen area, at the same time in my bedroom. I usually see a pop-up of yellow is really nice. It gives warmth as per my view. So another thing that I'm going to do today is play the dress up game. We are going to play the dress up game, and you're going to tell me how you like it, how you feel the taste of the incoming video fashion. But let me just give you a disclaimer. This is not an outfit I'm used to wearing. This will be totally new style to me. But please stay tuned as you catch up with me on that video. At the same time, what I'm going to do today, sorry for the noise, it's usually outside. So another thing that I'm going to do today is, at the same time, I want to go and check out some new houses. Yeah, I know you're wondering why I'm looking there. There's some people passing along. So anyway, so today I want to go and check out on some amazing spaces. Apparently I will take you to this journey with me, but that video will be on the next video. It won't be joined with this video because this video will be too long if I do that. So yes, now let's play the dress up game. Stay tuned. Here is the first outfit. Now it's time for us to go for that house tour that I'm telling you about. And now this is how I normally dress. This is now my normal fit, day-to-day fit. So that's my full fit. You've seen, guys, how it looks like. And yeah, the weather currently is a bit moody. Sometimes the sun comes and then all of a sudden it's cloudy, it wants to rain. So for safety measures, I've carried an umbrella, and also to spice up my look, I've carried some shirts. So that's how that's how the turnout is. I've not worn any jewelry, actually. I don't know why. I think I'll just go without any jewelry. But yeah, I really love these shades. And with me, I think this is not such a matching handbag, but it fits all the things that I want, because I'm going for a sleepover at home. And it fits my clothes at the same time. It fits my small umbrella. Let me show you my small umbrella. Here's one. Oh man. Anyway. So here's my small umbrella and some outfits that at least when I go there I can change. But yeah, that's actually it. We are really running late. So yeah, we need to go, guys. Let's go. Let me just show you how the house fully looks like. for the last time, and then now we go outside and at least get out of the house. So stay tuned. So we've come to the end of our video. Thank you so much guys for sticking until this time. I'm so honored to have you watch this video until the end. You're a keeper. Thank you so much, and stay tuned on the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do.